There's only one species of American black bear, but even cubs from the same litter can have different coat colors. Sometimes there will be white V-shaped marks on the breasts. Cinnamon bears, blue-gray or blue-black glacier bears, and white bears are all common names for different varieties of black bears, found mainly on Princess Royal Island, British Columbia. In the northeastern part of the species range, the United States and Canada, there are the best habitat for black bear, the forest canopy with both coniferous and hardwood tree species, like beech, maple, and birch. In some parts of the Northeast, corn crops and oak hickory mast are also common food sources. Small, thick swampy areas, especially those with stands of white cedar, make great places to hide out. There are a few consistent features of ideal American black bear habitats across their range. They prefer areas with limited human access, dense undergrowth, and an abundance of food sources, especially masts. Hello everyone. Welcome to Camojojo. Today we'll talk about black bear, a common animal in North America. Aside from polar bears, American black bears are the most common and widespread bear species across North America. Some subspecies, different to their name, can actually be brown or even blonde. Due to its large population and widespread distribution, the American black bear is not considered to be in danger of extinction by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The IUCN lists it as one of only two modern bear species that are not in danger of going extinct altogether. The other is the brown bear, Ursus arctos. Western North America is home to the greatest number of brown black bears. The true brown bear, Ursus arctos, also known as the grizzly bear in North America, is much larger, despite the common misnomer. Today's American black bears can be found across the majority of the continental United States in heavily forested mountain regions between 400 and 3,000 m, 1,300 and 9,800 feet, in elevation. Chaparral and pinyon juniper forests provide ideal environments for American black bears in the American Southwest and Mexico. On occasion, bears in this area venture out into the open in search of prickly pear cactus. As human settlements expand into bear territories, chances of encounters between the two increase. Even though bears try to avoid humans, they can still pose a threat if they ever find themselves in close proximity to one. They prefer to dwell in wooded areas, but will venture out of the woods in search of food, and are sometimes drawn to human settlements because of the abundance of food there. The best way to avoid being startled by a bear in the wilderness is to make noise as you move. We must treat bears with the utmost reverence and give them plenty of safe space to roam and feel secure.